Siya at yung mga fans lang niya. When you're so delulu, and then you're so used to lying, you start to believe in your own lies. So, 'di ba? Kung quiet na lang unta siya, di ta ma-trigger din di mangangkon, di magpaka-feeling na dato kay siya, di ba ma-trigger kayo makatingog ta Piragaba din ta. You're a deep thinker. You analyze. You do your research and you think. Forgiveness is only for the people who deserve it and who ask for it and really change. But I'm not Mother Teresa, bye. I'm not there yet. Yes, nanay-nanayan siya, anak-anakan siya. I don't know what they're, but I know they're close. And Vermin is doing the dirty work for him, di ba? Bango-bango ng pangalan niya pag si Vermin ang nagsalita. So, I don't appreciate it na like that because if they're close, he can just call her up and say, hey, stop it. I'm still his wife. That's my wife. Can stop it. But no. So it's like smear campaigns. He's asking people to do the dirty work for him. And it's such a pathetic, bitchy move. It's at least have the balls to do it yourself. Man up. Since October last year, he hasn't given. Diba? So October, November, December, January. So came January, I had it. My family was like, nope, don't tolerate that shit. If he doesn't give anything, then no lily. That's simple. So that's when I called them out and I think they panic. Well, nothing man. So, there. But 2 weeks ago, less than 2 weeks ago, the credit card arrived. Yun na yan. And then grabe magka-flex, bili ng cars and all that. So, you see where his priorities are. Like, oh my God. Well, to be fair, he said he gave milk and diapers last November or October, but I don't know. We didn't see it because I'm the type that I hoard. I hoard milk, I hoard diapers. I mean, diba? I even hoard makeup. What more food and stuff for my children. So, di namin yun nakita and di namin matrace. Sana he can provide receipts. So, it's there. But he said that he sent milk and diapers in October. So, there. I will not discredit that. And, I think this month, he bought milk daw. That's good for 2 months. But I already bought also. Good for 3 months. So, it's not here with me. So, there. So, let's not discredit that also that he bought daw. So, there. Well, this is not the first time. You should research about what happened to his first wife and his son. Go deep into that. It's a pattern. Because Elias was only a toddler at the time. She was in schooling and I was in Cebu. When I'm in Cebu, everything is taken care of. My house, bills, driver, it's all paid for the company. So my only gastos when I was in Cebu there was only my groceries. So it was fair, na yun lang. Actually, I didn't ask for 20. I only asked for 10. But since it was John Lloyd who insisted, he'll double the amount. So, from 10,000, he wanted to double it, naging 20. So, yeah. So, that explains it. Okay? There. Well, there was food, but, like, sometimes, makulang. Like, the first 2 years in the marriage, like, pag nakulang, I buy. I make abono. Because his mom was in charge of the groceries from start to finish of the marriage. So the first 2 years, I buy my own. kasi kulang, alias has his own, alias is provided. Sinakahiya naman, di ba, na parang nakiride on lang na provided naman siya kay JL. So, and I buy groceries for my stuff. And my tampons, my toiletries, that I buy for myself. So, yeah, it was just